Hi children, today we are going to see about numbers up to 1000. See children, as we know, this small cube will represent as ones and this long stack will represent as tens. And similarly, this big cube will represent as hundreds. But now we are going to represent 100 as big square. See children, here it is only one square. One square means 100. One square means 100. For 100, we have to write it as 1 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, 0 in ones place. Similarly, here we have two big squares. Two big squares means 200. Two big squares means 200. For 200, we have to write 2 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Similarly, if we have 3 squares means 300. For 300 also 3 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, 0 in ones place. Likewise, 4 big squares means 400, 5 big squares means 500, 6 big squares 600, 7 big squares 700, 8 big squares is 800, 9 big squares 900 and the last 10 big squares make 1000. See children, 10 big squares make 1000. That is 10 hundreds make 1000. 1000 we have to write it as 1 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Now see here children, we have to write number and number name for this diagram. See here, this big squares represent hundreds. As we know, this long stack is tens and small squares are ones. So here, how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds are there. And count the long stacks. 1, 2, 3. 3 long stacks. So 3 tens. Now count the ones, that is small squares. How many small squares are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small squares, that is 4 ones. So the number is 334. What is the number? 334. This we have to read it as 300. 3 for 34. 334. Say with ma'am, 334. If we write this in a place value means, see, 3 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. So 334. Similarly, see here children, how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hundreds. How many long stacks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 tens. How many small squares? That is ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So this we can write it as 546. How will you read this number? 500, 46, 46. 546. Say with ma'am, 546. This number, if we write it in the place value, that is 5 is in hundreds place, 4 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. Children, now we are going to learn about numbers on the abacus. See here, the number is 476. The number is 476. In this, 4 is in hundreds place, 7 is in tens place, and 6 is in ones place. This number we are going to represent in abacus. See here children, what number is in hundreds place? It is 4. So we have to draw 4 beads in the hundreds place. Now what number is in tens place? 7. So we have to draw 7 beads in the tens place. Now number in ones place is 6. So we have to draw 6 beads in ones place. Like this you have to represent the numbers on the abacus. Similarly, see here children, this number is 625. 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. This number we have to represent in abacus. See what number is in hundreds place? Yes, very good. 6. So we have to put 6 in the hundreds place. And the number in tens place is 2. So we have to draw 2 beads in the tens place. Then the number in ones place is 5. So we have to draw 5 beads in the ones place. Like this only we have to represent the numbers on the abacus. Now see here children, we are going to write the number shown on the abacus. See here, what is the number shown on the abacus? For that, first we have to count the number of beads on the hundreds place. Count how many beads are there in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads are there in the hundreds place. So we have to write 7 in the hundreds place. Then how many beads are there in tens place? Only 1 beads. So we have to write 1 in the tens place. Next, how many beads are there in ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are there in ones place. So write 5 in the ones place. Like this only we have to write the number shown in the abacus. Children, now it's your activity time. Take a cardboard, 3 sticks and some beads. Make an abacus using cardboard and sticks. Select a number between 200 to 1000. Use beads to represent that number on an abacus. Thank you.